got to kill Minos.
We gotta go kill Minos. He's causing havoc.
He's
making
causing
destruction in his
judgment.
path.
He's
Judgment.
been unsealed. This calls for a street cleaner, if you will.
Holy shit. What do you do? We need to get back out there.
Yeah.
I gotta get in there.
We are going to clean them. We're gonna clean these streets. Why? You do not. Why are you just the regular Dudas?
I'm V1, what do you mean?
On my screen, you're a cowboy.
What the fuck?
Okay, it's no longer just 23. Cookie. I completely forgot what item that is. Mystic Sword. Oh, actually.
Mystic Sword? Oh.
Especially this really one. What I need is some fucking movement speed.
I have a War Banner, that's the best movement speed that I got. I can't believe they took the concept of War Banner from Smite. The fucked up world that we live in.
Challenge of the mountain. I fucked up the jump.
We must get the challenge of the mountain. I'm on my way.
Don't
Holy
worry
shit.
about it. It's just that
Relax, I'll handle it.
There's like 4. That is a lot.
No, that is a lot.
And they're all stealing shit at me.
I'm on my way.
Relax, I'll handle it.
Thing missed it. Oh boy.
Oh, it's a health thing. Pretty good. Stars, I will gladly take.
Actually, you can have my ninja stars. They'll proc my bands. Bro, this beetle? Woo! 5,000 damage. I must go to Newt or I will die.
I must go to Newt or I will die. Conquest, if you you saw the blue portal up here in front of your house, would you enter it and what would you trade him?
Do I have any little coins?
You don't, you can only trade him. I'm gonna fall.
Bro. Okay. Leeching seed. Man, what's in his shop?
Leeching seed, I'll honestly take it.
I need your guess. Bro, I just stole your weed. I want to keep that. I do want to keep this as well. I just won't get it. I mean, I don't want it. Yeah, but what is in this Newt shop? Like I'll trade him depending on what's in his. What are his current wares?
Wares.
Yeah, what wares does he have a hold of?
The Will-O-Wisp.
The Will-O-Wisp? I'll trade for that. I'll give him like my shirt if it's like a white item.
Yeah, it's like
or something. Can I get my wallet? Does he take normal US currency or will he just take my wallet like as a currency?
Yeah, he'll take your wallet counts as a green item. Including all the
what's his red? What's his red item?
It would be The fucking the laser thing. It was like my dog barking, and I was like, yeah, I need to put him in a cryopod.
I've had like builds appear in my head, and like right when I wake up, like right when I'm about to go to sleep.
I've had it so that
like
when my dad was like talking to me while I just woke up, and he talked to me like I'm like completely conscious, but I'm like still fucking extremely drowsy, and I'm like,
you got cryo sickness?
I would just be thinking of it in like Magic the Gathering terms. Like, how am I supposed to respond?
Yeah, could
Do
you
I
ask
have,
your
like, a
dad to
passive
explain that
negation
in
or
Magic the
something?
Gathering terms?
Or like, what is he doing for his turn?
Just think about it. There could be like a wall of diamonds right behind that dirt. Jay, get over here. There's a wisp that you need to see. See him? No! No! Don't hurt him! You can still shoot straight! Oh my god, I hit one. Okay. God. I got an idea. Back shots. That's my idea. You got that. Probably. Are you making a pilgrimage? Every run, I gotta go see my buddy Newt. Watch metronome.
Crapper.
Burst movement speed, my favorite. It costs $412 to open one large chest. This is the problem with America. I need a movement speed item, please. Stage 3, there's not been a single one.
I have one movement speed item.
The only one, Jay. Correction. The only one that's been in the run all game.
Let's get this movement speed item on the other guy.
I will die if I don't get it.
I got cat ears. I'm going to kill it.
Awesome, you have conditional movement speed now.
I'm gonna scrap it.
Let me go open this large chest.
Conquest. What would you do if you found a chest like from discovering it? It asked for $86.
Shit, I'm giving it $86. I gotta know what's inside. Does it have the item effect?
Yeah, it does.
Bro, I would love to have a crowbar.
I got another fucking death mark.
That or bands, bro. If I hit someone hard enough, they just combust into flames. That's awesome.
Oh wait, shit, that's actually a good printer. Lens marker.
Oh, what? Oh shit. If I get lost ears, then woo! Woo! You know what I'm saying? Woo!
Good.
There's a wire.
It's not as good as the one that I did.
I'm gonna take the mystery and
Whoa.
movement speed. It's movement speed! Oh my god! I used to print for times like this.
I'm engulfing everything around me in flames.
Oh my god, are they okay?
one motherfucker appeared.
Wow. Don't worry, I'm giving them back shots.
I'm giving you some back.
That's all I am. I'm not gonna take that from me. You're already here. You had your claim.
I've been really bad when it comes to getting white scrap.
I need to get better at that, but like so many white items are
No,
good.
you've been a lot better than me.
There's less items that work with me. Shadow Spleen, please, 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 please. No. Kill yourself.
Hello, quality speakers. Hey, movement.
That's something, I guess. There's a chest? What is
Focus
that?
crystal.
Pretty good.
Not bad for me.
Teleport.
Yep.
Alright.
Ah!
The world looks red.
The world looks white.
The world looks happy. I smile at Earth and it smiles back at me.
What is this?
Bro, it's the same shop.
What the fuck?
I don't want Vendetta. It's kind of garbage.
Whatever.
Dude, we ain't friends no more. I ain't buying a single item from you. Unless, hold on. I want to re-roll this once.
30 seconds, you create a friendly lunar. Unstoppable design doesn't look bad. That's pretty much it. You're welcome to re-roll it.
Alright. Come on. Glasses? Nope, no glasses. There's these glasses that make my critical hits do 400% more damage.
These moving
I want them.
seems to do nothing bad.
This one's very fun.
You gain a orbiting bomb that detonates on impact.
It's don't pick it up, but it's funny. Yeah, you get that, and you try to find a cleansing pool as fast as possible so you can get a pearl.
I might get the Gesture of Drowned.
Sure, drown. Let me see.
Auto activates equipment.
Oh, that's that's like a really good equipment.
Yeah,
Or
especially
whatever
for banner.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. This is like either way, like your equipment's activating. Like half the time, it does not even matter.
Yeah, it's only bad if you're using something like
Dude, yo.
I accidentally flung myself. What the?
I see that.
I completely forgot how I built up speed from standing still.
Build up speed by standing still. Oh boy, we're on Sundered Groves. You know what that means? I gotta go find the chest.
I wish I had more props. Are you ready?
Rockin' time. Thank goodness this is. The gods have blessed me today. Thank you, gambling. Where's the scrap for?
What I will do
Don't worry, I'll try to give him back shots. Back shots have been given. Let me go put my steak on a grinder.
1, 2, 3,
One of death. 2 of death.
3.
3 of death. Bro, everyone else fucking hates that.
This single-handedly made people angry.
1 of death. I'm gonna count to 3. And if you're not out of my dojo... This is gonna be 10 hours of footage of me shooting at those little fun mushrooms.
Good luck.
Alright, the boss is gonna drop a green at him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck. I'm pretty sure we scrapped, like, scalped everything. I scalped a lot.
Yeah.
Oh
The chest. I see one.
How?
Please, green. Movement, I'll take. I'm okay with it. No complaints. Actually, I am complaining.
What the fuck? I'll start shooting.
Another chest. Malice.
Okay, I'm getting started now. Currently on fire, but I'm also putting them.
One down. One back shot to rule the boss. Big back shot with big dreams.
I am managing my cooldowns like a maniac.
Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna give me Mystic Sword? Are you kidding me? I would've scrapped it! Bro.
You wanna scrap it for a chance? I mean, you could always drop it.
No! Yeah. I guess if I'm gonna get rid of one thing, it's gonna be Predatory Instincts.
I keep engulfing myself in flames and then stop doing it. I love these magic things.
There you go. I shot something from the back and then it gave me lots of health. Predatory Instincts, yes. You go into the trash. Even though I like this item. You can go in Newt.
Loot, we're going in.
Newt, I'm coming inside of you. Something just collapsed.
Don't look at me. I wish I had a Newt altar in real life. I could just hold. What is this? Reduce their armor.
That's not bad. That is not bad.
I might honestly take it. Yeah. Hammer. I'll save my scrap.
No. I'm better than that. Right. Oh yeah. Any good items?
Plus we can't even buy them.
I can buy one. But if I reroll, no. I can get the Domino of Death. Domino of Death. Oh. That's terrifying. What is this? Relic of Force. Wait, hold on. This actually sounds pretty good. Read this.
Relic of Force. It reduces your attack speed and increases skill cooldown.
No, no,
Yeah.
no. I want my Desperado more often, actually.
I think Relic of Termination might honestly not be that bad because
Let's see.
its downside is buffing enemies, and its upside is making those enemies that are buffed drop an item.
Oh yeah, we've used this one before, right?
Yeah, I had it before. You want to run or you want me to?
Too late now. I mean, it's not like it's gonna spawn on us. It's gonna spawn somewhere
Yeah.
and attack one of us. Alright. Dude made me broke. That asshole.
But
I'ma be broke! This is a nice clock.
I want to fight.
Oh. I can still fight.
I can still fight. Not if I have my life juice on hand. When I'm able to be juiced, nothing.
One
can
life
stop.
juice, please.
I am currently out of juice. Please do a life juice.
I wonder what he sells. What are his wares?
Perhaps
It's a
like
very good health potion, but it just keeps on calling it life juice.
nothing's
still
wrong
buy
with it. It's just really weird how he calls it life juice.
Would you still buy it or just be like really off-put by it?
I'd still buy it when I talk to an enemy.
This is good life juice. You must drink the life juice. It
You
is
are
good
marked
for you.
for my kid.
Ultra man, I am Mr. Backshots after all. Do not let me get behind you.
Don't let him get behind you or he will back.
Oh my god!
Oh. This is not entirely that good.
You got this. And you gotta deal with my marked enemies too.
Oh wait, I forgot. You're the one with the mic.
I want those.
Don't worry, I have a lot of lenses as well. We still bad.
Alright. Oh yeah, you can also like you have a chance to do it a lot. Just keep on quitting, keep on going crazy. What is that? What is that little red rock? What was that? I'm on fire.
I am engulfing everything in this.
Male Karen engulfs everything in flames.
Oh, I got 100% crit chance every 13 seconds. Quoted my good.
It does not mean that you. Oh, oh my god!
When you said that, just whoa.
It gets me so off guard every single time. It's just so perfect.
You're an old fan. Oh, you're gonna have to get not struck.
Look, you could get a fork.
Fork. Actually, I'm gonna save that for later. That's actually the only thing I'm really cool.
You succeed.
Another one.
Hopefully it doesn't fall off the cliff. What are you just got disintegrated? Oh. Bro, why are you so fast?
If I sit still for like a few seconds, I get a huge speed boost, and it just procs on my my movement ability.
Oh, yeah.
as well. Skyrocketing. What?
Yo.
That's
sick.
actually phenomenal.
Yo,
Bro!
where's the fucking slot machine sound effect?
Man, because
Actually,
I have the
no, don't.
fucking crit item. Newt!
Buddy!
He can't
See
just
you
get
again.
it over here, bro.
Yeah, just procs him over and over and
Do
over.
you want to loop or not?
Yes. I mean, if you're gonna go to Newt, you're gonna loop.
Why do you just do that?
I must go to Newt where I will die. Look at that. We're gonna Newt for one run, I'm already dead. Rock 'em day.
You already know. It's just...
Is this what ULTRAKILL is like?
I am the... Yeah. What
Is this
fighting
what
a
Mr.
single
ULTRAKILL had in
street
mind?
is
Like the cores, those are good.
like. Something just died.
Oh my god! I love like Lost Year's glasses because like you forget that you have them, then something just like goes.
I really like.
Dodge man.
Look at that healing.
Die.
Die. Judgment. Plus I get my fucking damage stem at 30%, which is crazy.
I'm telling you, they should have had me as the owl from Wizard 101. She's gonna have 400 armor.
Awesome.
Okay. Okay.
Come on, just, yeah.
Go to Newt.
Go do loot.
Imagine you die in the next 1 second.